your tickets ready for checking out.
Hello guys, I am at Shanghai Hongqiao railway station. I'm going to Wuxi. I'm going to catch a train to Wuxi, and this is a railway station of Shanghai Hongqiao railway station. So this is the waiting area. You also call it as departure area, and you can see that a large screen with all the train numbers and timings. You can select your respective trains and check out on which platform it's gonna come, and those are the platforms, those are the gateway to the platforms. That's 17A and 16A, platform number 17A and 16A. A train number in green means it's ready for going to the platform, it's about to come, and the train numbers in yellow indicate that they are yet to come, so you have to wait for the train over here. So there are different gateways. So this is how we catch a train in Shanghai. You can shop, you can do some time pass if you have time. Our train number is G7120. G7120. So it's right now it's not showing on the large screen because the time of our train is 6 hours 9 minutes. So it's not yet showing. Maybe it will show after some time. The last train number which is been shown on the screen is G298. Its time is 17:59, and our train's time is 18:09. So it's yet to be shown, yet to be listed on the screen. So we will do some time pass. We will go shopping. See you later. Bye bye. Hey guys, I'm back. We are going to Wuxi railway station from Shanghai Hongqiao railway station, and we are going to board this high-speed train, what they call G7120. Our coach number is 2. Right now we are crossing coach number 3. This is supposed to be a high-speed train. The maximum speed of this train is 300 kilometers per hour. That's coach number 2. So our coach number seat number is 5. So That's the seat numbers. Five. As you can see, 5B. So my friend's seat number is A, but I'm sitting on seat number A. Well, this lens does not have any macro settings, so still I think you can see that's the coach number and seat number.